Now with DaVinci Resolve 12.5, editing and trimming are more powerful than ever. This video covers many of the new editing features, along with some of the basics that will make it easier for editors to use DaVinci Resolve every day. The Edit page has a full multi-track timeline and viewers for both the source clips and program. On the right, you can display the metadata panel or the clip inspector. On the left is the browser, which contains all your bins. Resolve provides you with a master bin for your source footage, but you can create your own custom bins for items such as timelines and source media. To add a custom bin, just right-click and select it from the menu. Then add clips to the custom bin by dragging them from the master. You can also create smart bins using search criteria you set up. This makes it easy to find shots in large projects. For instance, if you want to create a bin that contains all the drone shots, just set up the search rules. Any clips that match drone are previewed in the browser area and appear in the Smart Bin when you click Create. New Power Bins let you display footage, graphics, sound effects, or music libraries that can be seen across all projects. In List View, you can create your own custom column layouts to show exactly the metadata you need. Double-clicking a clip in the bin loads it into the viewer. When you locate the frame you want, mark the in and out points using the I and O keys. To make a basic edit, you can drag and drop a clip into a timeline, or you can drag clips into the timeline viewer to use the edit overlay. To insert a clip, we'll mark the in and out points on the clip, then position the playhead between the two clips in the timeline, and perform an insert edit using the edit overlay. In the source viewer, DaVinci Resolve 12.5 now lets you view a clip with its audio waveform. This makes it easy to navigate based on visual cues. There's also a new Append to End command that lets you add a clip to the end of the timeline, even if the playhead is located somewhere else. The new Ripple Overwrite is a 4-point edit tool. We have a 1-second gap in the timeline that we want to fill. Our next source clip is about 2 seconds long. The Ripple Overwrite will fill the gap and push the rest of the timeline down to fit our longer clip. Creating split edits in Resolve is simple and fast. Just right-click on the scrub area under the viewer to mark separate in and out points for audio and video.
Where did he come from?
In addition, it's now possible to swap clips on the timeline. All of Resolve's editing and trimming tools have been reorganized under the Edit, Trim, Timeline, and Clip menus. Here you'll find dozens of new tools, like Ripple Cut, which simultaneously lifts a clip and closes the gap with one quick step. You can use the new Paste Insert command to copy clips into the timeline and ripple everything forward. Using the new Cinema View